Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to send videos on Discord mobile. If you are facing difficulties to send videos on Discord mobile, especially Android, this is the right video for you. So for instance, I'm here open my server, and then here's some channels and categories, and then for instance I will click this channels, and then you can click this plus icon on the left. You click this one, and then over here listed all of your recent file. You just scroll down uh, until you can find like this is the videos. When there is a timer like seconds like this is the video files. And then another sample, see this one, video files. So you just press on, for instance I will click this one, and then click send here. So that's it. Now the videos is already uploaded to Discord. And then the next thing is, if you couldn't find your file, since your file maybe not a recent file, you can click this files, which is will open your files on your phone, and then you can find these videos. You can filter the files into videos and find the right videos you want to share on the particular channel or person. So that's it. Very simple, very easy. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.